Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make pork tofu watercress step by step. Start by marinating sliced pork in soy, rice wine, and a pinch of sugar for 15 minutes. Then press and cube firm tofu gently to avoid breakage, trim watercress and mince garlic and ginger, and heat a wok with oil to sear pork quickly before adding tofu, aromatics, and a light broth to simmer until flavors combine. Trim and slice pork thinly against the grain for tenderness and pat dry to promote browning. Heat wok until smoking point, then add oil and sear pork in batches to avoid steaming. Remove pork, sauté garlic and ginger until fragrant, add tofu cubes and a splash of broth. Return pork, toss in watercress toward the end, and finish with soy, sesame oil, and a squeeze of lime to brighten the dish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker and play cooking music or set timers hands-free while you sauté. I use it to time pork searing and stream recipes without touching my phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Finish with a quick simmer so tofu absorbs broth without falling apart and watercress stays bright and crisp. Taste and adjust seasoning with soy or a pinch of salt and balance with a little sugar if needed. Serve hot over steamed rice or noodles, garnish with scallions and toasted sesame, and store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 2 days and reheat gently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.